Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this particular question from IGCSE 2025 powered by Edexcel International. The question reads, a solid cone is joined to a solid hemisphere to make the solid shown below. This is the solid we are talking about. The cone is made from a copper. The density of copper is 9 gram per cm cube. The hemisphere is made from a different metal. The total mass of the solid is 4,752 pi grams. The total volume of the solid is 504 pi cm cube. Work out the density of the hemisphere. Show your working clearly. Alright, remember, in order to find the density, we need the mass of that solid and we also need its volume, because density is defined as what? Mass divided by volume. Therefore, we have to find them separately. From the question, from the diagram, we are given a cone here that has a height of 5x centimeters and a radius of x, while the hemisphere, they share a common radius here. So I would like to start by finding the volume, an expression for the volume of the hemisphere. So the volume, let me use a little soft script for hemisphere. This is equal to, remember, the volume of a sphere is 4 divided by 3 pi r cubed, but hemisphere is half of what? A sphere. Therefore, this is going to be 2 over 3 pi r cubed. But according to the question, r is what? X. So we are going to replace it with x here. So this is equal to 2 over 3 pi x cubed. This is the volume of the hemisphere. Now, what about the volume of the cone? Remember, let me use subscript C here. Remember, the volume of a cone is 1 over 3 of the volume of a cylinder. So this is 1 over 3. Volume of a cylinder is what? Pi r squared h. Alright. So this is 1 over 3 pi. They share a common radius, right? This is x squared. But what is h? The height is 5x. So we are going to replace h with 5x. If we multiply everything, this 5 will multiply 1 over 3, and that will give us 5 over 3. We have pi. X squared times x will give us x cubed. X cubed. So this is the volume of the cone. But we are given the total volume here. Look at it here. This is the total volume. So let's add these two expressions, this and this, to get the total volume. So total volume is equal to, the first one is 2 over 3 pi x cubed plus this one is 5 over 3 pi x cubed. The total volume is what? 504 pi. 504 pi. Forget about the unit. This is equal to, okay, these two expressions are identical. So these are like terms. Let's just add the fractions. This is going to give us 2 plus 5 is 7. So this is 7 over 3 pi x cubed. The pi's will cancel definitely. And in order to get x by itself, we can multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 7 over 3. So x cubed itself is equal to 504 multiplied by 3 over 7. So let me use my calculator here. (504) multiplied by 3 divided by 7 is 216. 216. Therefore, x cubed is equal to 216. Alright, so we need to find x by taking cube root of both sides. x is equal to the cube root of 216 is 6. The unit is centimeters. So now that we have x, we are free to substitute them back to get the volume of what? Hemisphere. And the volume of what? The cone. Let me come over here. Therefore, the volume of hemisphere is equal to, this is the expression we have, 2 over 3 pi, x is 6, so we have 6 to the power of 3. Yes. And maybe let me take my calculator and plug this directly. 6 times 6 times 6, this is 6 to the power of 3. Then multiply by 2, then divide by 3. Altogether, I have 144. But we have pi, 144 pi. This is the volume of what? Hemisphere. Now let us calculate the volume of the cone. Volume of the cone, the expression we have is 5 over 3 pi x cubed. 5 over 3 pi, x is 6 cubed. Let me do the same thing. 6 times 6 times 6, this is 6 cubed. Multiply by 5, divide by 3, and this is 360 pi. This is the volume of the cone. All right, because we have total mass, right? We have the total mass here. Total mass. So let's find the mass of the cone and subtract it from this. What is left will be the mass of the hemisphere, right? So let's find the mass of the cone. Mass, let me use bracket cone, and this is equal to, mass is equal to density multiplied by the volume. And we have learned that the density of the cone, look at it, is 9. So this is equal to 9 multiplied by what? The volume of the cone, which is 360 pi. And this will give us what? Let me use my calculator. 9 multiplied by 360, this is 3,240. 3,240 pi. This is the mass. Then the mass of hemisphere will be equal to the total mass, which is 4752 pi. Take away this particular one, 3240 pi. If we subtract, this is going to give us 1512 pi. Now we have the mass of the hemisphere. So remember, the question says we should find the density of the hemisphere. Density is equal to what? Mass divided by its volume. So we have the mass already. So density of hemisphere is equal to mass, or should I write the formula first? I'm running out of space. It is equal to the mass, which is 1512 pi, divided by its volume. The volume is up there, which is 144 pi. The pi's will cancel. We have 1512 divided by 144. This is exactly equal to 10.5. And this is density. Remember, what is the unit? Gram per cm cube. Because this is measured in gram while this is in cm cube, the volume. So we have gram per cm cube. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. Bye-bye.